Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix App Store couldn't connect on your iPhone Air. Okay, so you can see it says App Store cannot connect, and this problem occurs when you cannot connect to the server, and you may not be able to connect to server for a few reasons. So the first one being you don't have internet connection. You need to make sure that you have internet connection. So let's go to settings. Let's go to the Wi-Fi, and now not only do you need to check whether you are connected to any network, so you need to be either connected to Wi-Fi or have mobile data enabled, right? You just need to have internet access, but also it is worth going to a browser and checking if you can go to any website. Right, so let's go to Google. Okay, you can see there's some sort of problem. And now it didn't say I don't have internet access. It said this connection isn't private. And this is a very big sign of something else that is happening on your phone instead of no internet connection. But if you didn't have internet connection, even if you were connected, it sometimes happens, then you would see something like this, right? If you see this, you don't have internet connection, try a different network or try again later. But if you have this, as you saw a moment ago, with like the certificate or stuff like that, then that issue is quite clear. You have a wrong date set in your system. If you go to settings and go to general, then go to date and time, you should enable set automatically. Now it's gonna adjust to your local time. Also, if it didn't adjust correctly, you may need to go to privacy and security, and then enable location services if they are disabled. Or instead of that, if you really don't want those location services, even though I always recommend enabling them because they not only give you the time but also Find My service, you can go to general, go to that date and time, and make sure to set it as correctly as you can here. Now I'll enable set automatically, and you can see I can go to Google website. Works. I can also go to App Store. It's loading and it works. But if it still didn't work, then there's an option. There's something wrong with your system. So you should of course try restarting by pressing and holding on power and either of the volume buttons, and then slide to power off. Okay. Let's wait a moment until the phone turns off fully, and then press and hold on the power button until the Apple logo shows up. Release and wait a moment. Now, if this won't work, then you should try the last thing, which is updating your system. And now, updating your system, if your phone cannot connect to the server, it won't be able to connect to update server. So I'll explain two different methods of updating. You can go to settings and go to general, then software update. When you are connected to a network, I'm currently not for some reason. Okay, it says I'm not connected, but on the other hand it says I am. Okay, now I'm connected. Yeah, in software update, if it shows if it shows that there is an update available, you should install it to fix some issues. If it says that there's no updates, then there's nothing you can do. And if it says it couldn't connect to update server, then you should use your computer to update. Basically, if you have a Mac, then it's going to be very simple. Connect your iPhone to the Mac with a cable, and then just update it through Finder. And if you have a Windows computer, download Apple Devices app, connect your phone via a cable to the computer, and try updating it. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.